In today's tutorial, we're going to create another MagnatesMedia style animation. Before we hop into DaVinci Resolve, there's a bit of pre-work we need to take care of. Copy the prompt and paste it into an AI image generation website. I'm using this website, but you can use any platform of your choice. Once the image is generated, download it and drag it into the Fusion composition. Every picture used in this video is AI generated using this process. I won't repeat these steps again. Now, add an image plane 3D node. Then, add a camera 3D node. This will automatically create a merge 3D node. Next, add a renderer 3D node and connect it to the media out node. Drag the merge 3D node into the second viewer window. Select the camera 3D node and set the focal length to 50. Now, select the image plane 3D and position it like this. Move the media out node into the second window and place the merge 3D node into the first window. Adjust the background image accordingly. See this background removed photo? Use this website to remove backgrounds from images. Now, add another image plane 3D node and connect it to the merge 3D node. Adjust its position as needed. Generate an AI image of an old German car. Download it and drag it into the Fusion composition. Then, add an image plane 3D node and connect it to the merge 3D node. Now, bring the car image into the first viewer window, add a polygon node and toggle it off to deactivate while masking the image. Start drawing the mask around the car. Once done, toggle the polygon node back on. Move the merge 3D node into the first viewer window and adjust the car's position. Scale up the car and place it like this. This car will act as a screen divider. Now we have a man's image. Add an image plane 3D node, connect it to the merge 3D node, and position it accordingly. Scale it down to fit the screen properly. Generate an empty Parliament image. Download it and import it into the Fusion composition. Add an image plane 3D node and connect it to the merge 3D node. To match the previous background's positioning, select the earlier image plane 3D node. Then delete the newly added image plane 3D node. Paste the copied node and connect it to the merge 3D node. This ensures the exact alignment of the backgrounds. Now position the second background image correctly and adjust it as needed. Import the remaining character images and follow the same steps as before. Position them accordingly to create the desired composition. At frame 76, select the camera 3D node in keyframe X, Y, and Z positions. Now, go back to frame 0 and adjust the camera position like this. Next, open the spline editor, select all keyframes, right-click, go to Ease, and choose In Cubic. The animation doesn't feel smooth, so I'll change it to In-Out Cubic for a buttery smooth motion. At frame 92, adjust the camera's position. Then, in the spline editor, select only X offset, uncheck all others. Select the last 2 points. Right-click, go to Ease, and choose In Cubic. Now, go to the keyframe editor. Move the last keyframe to frame 100. This disrupts the motion, so let's fix it. Select the last 2 points. Press S to smooth them, and adjust the curve like this. Reposition the images to refine the composition. At the final frame, zoom the camera closer to the central character. Then, in the spline editor, select only Y offset and Z offset. Go to Ease and select In Quadratic for smooth movement. Add a color corrector node to the Renderer 3D node. Adjust the colors to your liking or copy my settings. Then, add a soft glow node to the color corrector node and tweak the settings for a polished look.